Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. One of the worst decisions I ever made turned out to be one of the best trades that our members had in a long time. Watch and see what I mean. The day before many events, we send out our daily market mover trade setup and journal. And in the trade room, we look at the journal, this section of the report, 6 winners in a row, and we also watch videos of all those events. Well, this particular set of videos did not look that great on ISM services. Even though there were quite a few winners, the winners were hard to come by, and I was not really impressed with the quality of the events, and the profits seemed to be smallish over the past 6 months. I had made it a family money trade, and I was under a lot of pressure to trade, but I felt, especially after looking at all the video, all the data, that it was best to not trade the report. We had 6 winners in a row. We were due for a loser. I got superstitious. I scared myself out of the trade. Let's be honest. I was a big baby and I scared myself out of the trade. Instead of being a grown-up and taking the trade like I should have, 6 winners in a row, what do? You trade the report. Well, I sat on the sidelines, but our members, they kind of know me, and they know sometimes I'm goofy and I take less chances because I'm teaching people to be conservative. And I really kind of lost my mind on this trade this morning. It's the only way I could explain it. I didn't trade it live. I should have traded it live. I'm still in the corner. Everyone knows what I mean. But most of our members traded this report live. Let me show you what happened. Okay, the first thing that happened is the price exploded through the roof. Unbelievable. One of the best explosions in a trade that I've seen maybe in 4 months. It's the trade that everyone wishes for. It just exploded through the prices. It filled everybody's orders. Instant targets were hit. Large profits on both the bonds and gold. And members traded it live with real money. And that's why this is the members trade of the week. Let me show you. Doc, whose video I don't have, and I don't have a screenshot, but he made over $1,000. Our members trade of the week nominee is Langford M from Anguilla, because he made over $1,000 also, and he sent the proof. $218 on bonds, $800 on gold, over $1,000 ISM. It was a beautiful exploding trade, just like we want to see. ISM services, Langford M from Anguilla, our members trade of the week, and the loser of the week, myself, for letting fear overtake me. I wanted to protect my profits from the U.S. jobs report. I made over $300 in profits on U.S. jobs. I wanted to protect it, and I literally just scared myself out of a trade. Even a professional trader, and I do consider myself a very serious professional trader, even a professional can let their psychology ruin a trade. ISM Services, congratulations to Doc, everyone in the trade room that took the trade. Langford M, over 1,000. Nice trade. Come into the trade room, folks, and learn to be a great event-based, appointment-based trader. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you in the trade room.